unboxing of this dash cam. This is one of the best dash cam called NextBase dash cams. So as you can see, it's fully packed. So it's also got this dash cam hardwire, so you need this to connect it, and it also need a memory card, which you will get it, which depends upon you. You can get it 64 GB or 32 GB or 128 GB, so it overwrites the images. So here, just try to open this. So it's basically very useful if you are driving on the road, and also very useful if you are basically need evidence for insurance or anything else, if someone hits you in the front, or if you have. So it's called, you can see the features in here. It's got HD video recording, Clicks Pro, so it's got Wi-Fi connections, SOS connections, and you also get app as well, and it's called voice control as also. So I'm just gonna rip this off. And show you what's inside in this box. So you can see it's got this these manuals here, and that's the manuals. So basically that's the dash cam, and that fits, that's the dash cam. So that fits in, that's a NextBase dash cam that fits in your front of the mirror. And it's also got this which is if you can see the wires here, so it's quite well packed actually. It's got USB cable, and it's also got this car charging connection. So make sure you check all these things before you get it installed or install yourself. It's got this mounting, so it's got all this and of course the wire, as I've shown you this, you need this wire to connect it. It's called hardwire kit NextBase, and NextBase is one of the best dash cam at the moment available in the market. They also have so many ranges, so it depends which one you want. So as you can see now, you got the mounting here, so you can see you got the mounting, you got this this charger, which is basically car charger as well, USB connections as well, and it's also got this. So that's the dash cam. As you can see, it's quite robust, and it's quite rigid, and it's got memory card slot as well, which depends upon you, so how much memory card you want to put it in. So basically that's where it goes, the USB connections. So, and this is the basic stuff in this one. That's the manual here. Again, I will show you. It's got all the instruction, so mostly it's in English. It's also got it in different. So that's the app. It shows the apps, and it's got SOS button as well. So in case your car breaks down or something happens, you can just press the SOS button, which is directly connected with the police and fire ambulance in case of any problem, you get stuck anywhere. And it's got a very strong signals. So hope you like it, and if you like it, please give thumbs up, or if you have any query, you can just post it in the comment section.